So, intellectual property refers to the creations of one's own intellect. So, when you are using your own knowledge or intellect and creating something, or it can be an invention, it can be anything, it can be music, it can be a drawing, it can be a photograph or anything. So, when you are using your own intellect and producing something, that is called intellectual property. So intellectual property rights are the rights which protects this intellectual property. So intellectual property rights will guarantee the creators or the owners of intellectual property an exclusive right to use them for their own commercial benefit or for the purpose of anything. For the benefit of commercial, no individual can use those inventions or the products or for any other purposes. And intellectual property rights will protect this intellectual property of individuals. The intellectual property rights, if you see, they are categorized into two kinds. The one is industrial property, and second one is copyrights. Okay, industrial property is again categorized into four types. First one is patents, second one is trademarks, third one is industrial designs, fourth geographical indications. Then if you see the copyrights, copyrights are granted for original literary, artistic, dramatic works, music recordings, cinematograph, films. So copyrights subsist in all these works. The importance of IP was first recognized in Paris Convention, which was held in 1883, which recognized the importance of the protection of industrial property. The second one is Berne Convention, which is for the protection of copyrights. So this WIPO, World Intellectual Property Organization, is a one. There are many nations which are members of this WIPO, which is looking after the world intellectual property rights. Trademark. Trademark is a distinctive sign which is being assigned to a product or maybe a service which is offered by a company or an organization. If you see the trademark, it can be a combination of words, it can be a combination of numericals, or it can be a combination along with the numerals words. It may also may contain other letters, etc. It can also include three-dimensional or two-dimensional aspects of any product, which means the patterns, lines, colors, packaging. So all these things are included in the trademark. So, for example, a brand like Ashirwad, Johnson and Johnson, Tata Company, or maybe BSNL, etc., Airtel, whatever if you see, they will have a kind of trademark, which means you can distinguish the product when you compare with the other products which are there in the market. So the trademarks can be given for numerous products which are there in the market. For all those things, they may have their own trademarks. Then, if you see the trademark validity, generally the trademarks are granted for 10 years, not more than that. And after that, the trademarks will enter into the public domain, and any other individual may copy or similarity may have in their other products. So they can use those kind of similar words and phrases or other numericals, etc., in their creations while designing their own products. So in that way, different products are having different kinds of brand names and trademarks. Based on that, it will help the consumers to identify certain goods and services which are offered by an individual or maybe by a company. If it is an employee, he designs the trademarks, etc., then call the organization itself becomes the owner of the trademark. At present, the trademarks is valid for 10 years. These trademarks will help the consumers to identify the services offered by a company and also the goods and other products which are produced by a particular company based on the trademark, based on the brand value of a particular company, etc. We may buy the products of that particular company. For example, if you see for children, we may go for using the Johnson and Johnson baby products, and if it is a product, generally looking at the trademark, looking at the product value or the brand value of a company, etc., you may purchase the products. So this trademarks a distinctive sign which is used for a wide variety of products which are offered by a company that will help the consumers to go and buy the products which are offered or produced by a particular company. So which adds quality to the particular product.